Hey Joe, coming at you with today's road cycling life lesson. And today's lesson came to me when I was riding, and I said, I really cherish the quietness, I guess, or the non-noise of not having social media 24/7, or the news cycle 24/7, or the propaganda 24/7. All this flooding, and I love music, but I got to tell you, sometimes the best music is the sound of the desert wind blowing through my ears. It's the sound of the birds. It's the sound of just being outdoors and enjoying everything about the outdoor sounds and sights and smells. And I guess the lesson I wanted to leave you with, and that I have to constantly be relearning, is take time to unplug from this noisy, noisy world. There was a thing a while back by C.S. Lewis called the Screw Tape Letters, and he talked about how one of the demons said the best way to get to man is to constantly surround him with noise. Noise and more noise. And I think in today's society, with all these connections that we have, it creates too much noise. So unplug. And I can't wait to be on the next ride with you. Enjoy.